And welcome in everyone for our Friday edition of First Alert Weather Extra. Yes, we have made it to the weekend and a homecoming weekend for Southern Jaguar fans. Jaguar Nation going to be celebrating homecoming over the weekend with a game against Prairie View A&M. So will the weather cooperate? Well, let's start you out with events taking place this evening. We've got Live After 5 in Roar Plaza. Fat Hat taking the stage. That's a very popular band here in Baton Rouge. You can see temperatures are going to be okay. We'll be starting out warm in the 80s, but cooling down pretty nicely into the evening hours as we drop down into the 70s under mostly clear skies. So we're going to be enjoying some very nice weather for Friday. Rain starts to arrive into the forecast as we head into the weekend. Do not cancel outdoor plans that you may have unless they're kind of Saturday evening, late Saturday night. That's going to be the time frame where we're going to see most likely a chance of rainfall, really even into pre-dawn hours on Sunday morning. So for Saturday afternoon, we'll dodge some raindrops, but it's not expected to be a washout by any stretch of the imagination. So scattered showers and a few thunderstorms in the forecast Saturday afternoon, then becoming more likely Saturday night into very early Sunday morning. And then by daybreak Sunday morning, things are going to be rapidly improving in terms of our weather conditions. So let's talk about the threats that could be out there in terms of a severe weather threat. Northern half of our viewing area under this marginal risk of severe weather. That is the lowest risk of severe weather, so certainly not a guarantee that we are going to see strong to severe storms, but one or two not out of the question, kind of starting Saturday evening, carrying over to about sunrise on Sunday morning. Right now, it looks like our only opportunity for seeing severe weather will come in the form of damaging wind gusts. So we're talking about possibly upwards of 50 to 60 miles per hour. We'll keep our eyes out for how that may transpire. If it does happen, some downed tree limbs could cause some sporadic power outages. So that's more than likely going to be our biggest weather threat as we go overnight Saturday. So let's break down the forecast for the homecoming game. Kickoff is at 4 o'clock. Now that is also the start time for the FIFA Halloween parade in downtown Baton Rouge. So the forecasts are going to be identical essentially for the parade as well as the game. Kickoff, we're going to see scattered thunder showers in the forecast, so certainly not a guarantee we're going to have rain impacting Mumford Stadium, but it's a possibility that at some point during the game we could see some lightning being detected close by, and that could cause a delay. Temperatures will be warm, but we'll be cooling down into the 70s as we head towards the end of the game and into those evening hours. Throughout the game, about a 30% chance of a shower or a thunderstorm in the forecast. So again, not a certainty, not a guarantee, but we will have to dodge a few showers and storms as they kind of make their way through the area. So let's kind of show you how that may look here with Futurecast. We're going to fast forward all the way to 6 a.m. on Saturday morning. You see a few showers over towards coastal Mississippi, but really southeast Louisiana, southwestern Mississippi expected to remain dry until we get into that early afternoon. So we're starting to see a few spotty showers along our coastal parishes. Those will start to filter inland as we make our way through the rest of the afternoon and evening. So here we are paused at 6 o'clock, and you see a few of those isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. So most of this rain that's traveling from south to north, not expected to be strong or severe. It's as the front approaches, and it's this kind of banding of showers and thunderstorms that's going to be moving in from west to east. That is our concern for seeing one or two of those strong storms. So we start to see some indications of that already beginning to take place around 10 o'clock, but then more so as we go just past midnight. So this is pre-dawn Sunday morning. You see this line of showers and thunderstorms out ahead of the front. That sweeps its way through our area as we get towards 4 a.m. You can see most of the showers and storms are already beginning to exit Metro Baton Rouge and impacting areas in extreme southeast Louisiana and coastal Mississippi. And then by the time we get towards sunrise and daybreak on Sunday, already starting to see rapidly improving weather conditions. So we'll watch out for one or two strong storms to be in the mix for the weekend overnight. In terms of rain estimation, this is our Futurecast. This is the HRRR model. You can see what it is projecting in terms of the heaviest rainfall closer to the state line, less heavy rainfall as you go farther south towards the coast. But bottom line here is majority of us expected to receive less than an inch of rainfall across our area. So that would be manageable rainfall totals. We're not expecting flood concerns over the weekend. So that's your kind of quick check of the forecast here on this Friday. We appreciate you joining us here on our streaming channels and appreciate you staying tuned for 9 News at Noon. We'll have that for you coming up on WAFB.
Southern Air of Baton Rouge says no, 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 no interest, no money down, no payments for 12 months on HVAC, plumbing, and electrical services. Scan the QR code on your screen to learn more.